Come to this side. Alright. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Javea.
Javea. Okay. What about job you do, Javea?
I don't work.
Okay. Oh. More rice. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One Shani Price. I like freaky girl. She don't look freaky. She look too distant. A freaky? I am freaky. You know. Down there, deep throat, goggle bars, everything.
No.
All right.
Novo Pandora.
It's a banger! I didn't expect the balloon. I find love. Let me get the man them joy. Yo, I pop it, pop man. Watch out, man. St. Thomas in on a town. You see it? Big up everybody from St. Thomas. The female them on the feel me. You don't know. Watch out now. Trinidad, we're coming. Trinidad, anybody from Trinidad wanna comment below if you don't want to pull up. You see it? Cause Trinidad next month we're there, you know. Anybody wanna come sponsor it and thing, link up. You don't know. Follow up on Instagram and just talk a thing. Big up Live Boss for the visual and big up a big bad sponsor. Red Carpet, you see it? Team event this nice cookout. If you want to bring a female Red Carpet, you see it? Watch your number J, it's simple. If a girl walk out and you don't like her, based on how she look, you pop a balloon, okay? Okay? No man, a ghost over here. Eh? Oh no. St. Thomas I like ghost. Yo, watch out man, if you like a girl and you keep your balloon, okay? I'm not hearing no ghost right now. You see it? Big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up everybody who are support and thing. We're gonna turn up. Trinidad. Comment below which part else you know out there. Grenada, live. England, live. Come on, Caribbean tour. Come on, man, where you want to go? Grenada, where? Guyana, St. Kitts, St. Vincent. Comment below, man, people. Got the night like all the time. Chicks. Banana chip. Comment below. Yo, you have Trinidad and Tobago. Who forgot Tobago too? Tell me. Comment below. You see it? Not ready for the first female? Oh, not ready? No, not ready. Oh, not ready for the first female? Send her in. Send in the first female for me now. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Come to this side. Alright. Come to this side. Hi.
Hi,
Introduce yourself.
my name is Chanel.
Chanel. What type of person are you, Chanel?
A loving, caring, nurturing person.
Loving, caring, nurturing.
Mhm.
And what's your type?
Tall, dark skin, light skin, brownish. Dark skin.
Oh, dark skin.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And when it comes to a male though, what's your turn off?
Friendly.
Friendly, and I like a man that's friendly.
No.
None at all.
Mm-mm.
Alright, shout out your social.
Instagram Chanel SHENN _ NNE
Alright, no problem. Alright, so go down the line. Who you want to start with first?
the N.
The N? Alright, come. Alright. Your name?
One Sean Storm.
Alright, Shantan. Why you pop a balloon?
I'm my best friend.
Are your best friend?
I'm my
Yeah.
bestie.
Like bestie?
Yeah.
Bestie.
Yeah, bestie.
Like blue collar bestie?
Bestie.
Alright. How much did I rate her? From 1 to 10?
10.
10.
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Mhm.
True religion, man. Brand, man.
Alright. We'll come down to this side. Your name? Why pop a balloon?
Chad. Yo, she said she don't like brown man, you know. She don't like brown man, I cannot. Brown, you know.
You brown.
Yeah, you know, see it.
Yeah.
Brown dog, you know. She don't like brown man.
Okay.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Just not my flavor.
No, your flavor.
Yeah.
What it taste like?
More rice.
I like brown man before. You know that.
Alright, so based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
9.5. You can go on.
She can get a 10 still, man.
She can get a 10.
Yeah, man, she look good. And
Yeah.
she shot, you know.
What you like about her?
She shot. She not ugly. That me like. If she the ugly now, but she good.
Alright then. Alright then.
Really.
Alright, believe. Come on to the side. Your name? Why pop your balloon?
Too short.
She too short?
Yeah.
What? Height is a big problem for you? How tall you want your girl?
About 7 foot so.
7 foot?
Yeah, man, 10 tall, man, I'm tall.
Eh?
I'm tall.
Want a girl 7 foot tall.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, based on her appearance though. What do you think about her?
I give her a 10. So good.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, man.
Give me 8.
Eh?
Give me 8.
Give me 8. Your name? Why pop your balloon?
Don't know say 1G, but you see me? Might be now. I just for me alone, bro. She can't have no bestie dog. Bestie have a second choice, bro, as me slip up. You know? Yeah.
Oh, just because she have a best friend.
Yeah, man, my girl have to just me alone, you see me?
So you don't want your girl with a best friend?
No, so man, I'm me alone, me a best friend, me a G, me everything for you, man. Yeah, man.
Him say you don't have to worry about him.
Active, man.
Active. Alright, based on her appearance though, how much you rate her?
Yeah, man, me give mama a 8, man. She nice, short and thick. Yeah, man, mama alright there.
Alright.
No joke.
No joke. Alright, what do you think about him based on him appearance?
Give me 8 too.
What you like about him?
I'm dark skin.
Dark skin.
Sir, no, man.
Would I pick him in about?
Eh? Me not here.
Would I pick him, but let's move on.
You know. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, come on, the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jor, pop it because they say, oh, you like dark skin, man, you see me, and then you gotta have your best friend in the lineup that show me off my friend.
Okay.
I was saying I like the best friend thing too.
No, no, actually, like a best friend thing that if you be a best friend, you see me?
Alright.
Word.
Why though? What about best friend?
You have a girl best friend?
So,
You have a girl best friend?
No, I have a girl best friend, man. Reason being is because it's when me in high school, dog them did our girl best friend, and dog used to top it, you see me?
Eh?
You know, dog used to top it, dog, girl, see it, some know them thing, them know them code them, man.
Oh, so you say best friend thing I just
A top when me a for girl. You see it?
oh, so you just in feeling.
Yeah, feeling when me a lapse. You see me? I'm not sure you know that, dog.
Nothing like that.
Why you laugh?
Nothing like
Sure, you
that.
say a true role.
No. Nothing like that.
Man a bad. Alright.
Never. Never.
Alright. Alright, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Yeah, 9.5, man. Short, neat. You see me? Petite, thick. 9.5.
9.5.
Mm.
What do you think about him?
I give him a 10. He's nice.
10?
Mm-hmm.
What you like about him?
Everything.
That's something, man.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Jeff done, but me I say, give me a little space so I can express myself, you see me? So me they are good and thing and me say, oh, the moms look nice and something and then she can say, oh, she not like sharp, man. You don't say, like, look, for me, you see me? She I see how she not like, she offend me, that's I see how like, easy, but man, that alone, she look nice, but boy, I feel offended.
Oh, just because you're short.
Yeah, man, I feel offended, man, I feel it to my soul still. You see me? Like that.
So, him short for you?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing.
Yeah, but him taller than you.
Yeah, but still short for me.
Yeah, then something.
So, how tall you want your man? Like your best friend?
No. I get you where you go.
Okay, that's a thing. My bad. Alright, based on her appearance though, how much did I rate her?
Nothing like she look nice, she need to see her from evil. She look like it. Yeah, 8.5 suits. She look nice.
8.5.
8.5. She look good. Like she really look good. Bro. So that's something I take my chest, man. I take my chest bit. Shout for this.
Alright, so what do you think about film appearance?
I give him a 5.
Yo, a time for gone, me yard. I'm kind of.
5 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
They just in
Him what?
my thing.
Him Justin?
It just ain't no match.
Him Justin?
Yeah. It just not put together.
No, but you can't. Jaja.
Alright,
So
so
she blame me the kind of ace, you know, but like.
alright, so what half about him dressing though?
The bag, the shirt, the hat.
So just the pants alone him for wear.
Maybe. Maybe a little better.
What you say about that?
I know what you say. My feet. Jesus God.
Alright then. Alright, come down to the side. Alright, so the man named without a balloon. Walk with grace for me now, please. Alright, so we have two male writers, alright? Them never pop them balloon.
Alright.
But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask you to ask each of them a question. Forget to know them, to see them are your type or not. And then we'll see if we can pop the balloon, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so who you wanna start with first? Him? Alright, let's go.
Where you look for now?
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Jamal Reed. I'm from Whitehorse in St. Thomas.
What you look for in a female?
Loyalty the most.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, loving and caring. See me as I say, but the reason why I'm not pop the balloon is because I like a short girl still.
Okay.
That's the reason why I never pop it. You like a short girl.
Yeah, probably. Not you know.
Like short girl. Alright, that's a question?
That's all.
Alright, come. Your name?
Malik Stewart, aka Rang Somebody.
Alright. What's the question for him?
I don't have no question.
You have a question for him? No, why?
I don't know. No question now pop up.
Alright. Come back. Like you never have a question for him, what I'm gonna ask you to do, pop one person based on their appearance. Basically, you don't like them appearance, you just pop them balloon. Alright. I'm gonna go down to the side. Alright, so you're popping balloon because of appearance?
Yeah. Yeah,
What?
I want too much color.
What?
Too much color. The shoes, the socks, it. I don't know if it's. Wait. I don't know if it's.
You want too much color?
Yeah.
The shoes and the socks?
Like, it no match.
So who should show you have more?
I'm not presentable. You not come like you look for somebody where you want walk within a public.
Okay, so him shoes show you half or the socks, which one?
Everything. The bag, you should just put on the bag. The glass, you should take off the glass.
Alright, what you have to say about that, Maji?
I don't have nothing to say about that because basically she can't occupy my time and my space, so that's why she said that. Because she don't value my things, so I not go value for her thing now, you know?
Yeah. Alright, so she say you put thought in your outfit, like what you think about it? So I got
everything match.
Okay.
The socks
Alright.
and the shoes match with the outfit, so I don't know what she has say. Everything when I have on from my shoes and my outfit and my glass and my ear match, everything when I have on match.
Explain
So
to me. Explain how it match.
You know, see black it on my shoes and black it on my outfit and my bag and everything. You know, see black it on my socks too.
Right.
Which part we you know see black in?
Okay.
everything have black.
Everything have black.
Okay. Alright.
Alright then. So based on him appearance, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
2.
2 out of 10?
2 out of 10.
She not used to good things, man. So I not go against what she say. I'm with her what she say because she not used to good things.
Oh, so she not used to a man look like this?
Yeah. So I not go against what she say.
Alright, so you're not used to good things. So
Yeah, clearly.
you know,
Clearly.
basically, alright. So tell her like the price range. Make sure know say it thing.
I don't have to tell her because she's supposed to say everything when me have a match and not mismatch. Because if you say the next guy mismatch and everything when me have a match, and she say me have on too much color, what kind of too much color? And everything when me have on an outfit, the socks and my shorts and my shirt go together and my bag. Only my shoes me never buy in a whole outfit.
Yeah.
And my shoes still have on black. So I don't see a black pan black me I wear.
Black pan black.
So I don't see what she has say.
Alright, so based on fair appearance, how much should I rate her?
When I rate her 0 out of 10, you know, because I like the girl in a short up skirt like what Skilly Bang saying, you know.
0 out of 10?
Yeah, 0 out of 10, me I give her.
No, you have to tell me why. Why she get 0?
Because I'm not skimpy.
I give her 0 out of 10.
There's no part
Because
of my body
she don't know the
showing.
value. She don't value things.
No, she has said just because her body not revealing, that's why you give her 0.
No, and because her body not revealing.
But
Just I give her
that's
0
what
out
you
of
just
10.
said.
Because she not used to good thing. That's why I give her 0 out of 10.
Word.
Alright.
Word.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah,
Alright, so
word.
alright, so we never have a match today. So I'm
No.
gonna make you walk with grace, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Come to the side, Maji. I blessing, I see it. Banana chip! Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Alright, so people, rainfall upon everybody's roof, yeah? So relocate, rain a fall, we come in our shelter. Remember, red carpet are the best place for bring your empress, yeah? Full food, best food, jerk chicken. I'm hungry right now, you see it? Back to writer, so. Sorry about that. So right about now, he has a balloon, right? And what I'm gonna ask you to do is ask him a question to get to know him, and we'll see if it's a match or what, okay? Alright, so what's the question for him?
What's your pet peeve in a female?
What?
A pet peeve.
Pet peeve. What you call it? No, I say, I don't know what you mean by that.
Pet peeve?
Yeah, I don't know.
Dislike.
It's a 9, man. But now when you're nagging, that shit get me pissed. Can't be nagging. Please, it throw me off of work, everything. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with you. That's all.
So you hate emotions.
Bro.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, alright. So you have a question for she? You can ask her a question.
One thing I ask, if you see if you're genuine, when you deal with this, if you're not genuine, you can know that by space of 1 week. That is it. If you're not genuine, I'm gone.
So our question is what?
If you're not genuine, you can know that by a space of a week. So if you're genuine,
That's not a question.
That's not a question? Are you genuine?
Yes, I'm genuine.
But you say that no in space of a week? Alright. One no, right? Is he a match for you?
No.
He's not a match?
No.
Alright, so you have a popping balloon, yeah? Alright, hold on. Why wasn't it a match?
Because him saying hate emotion, him say him hate woman that annoying. So if somebody try to show you love, that's annoying.
No, they're different.
But that's what you said.
Really, but they're far different. When you're annoying over certain things.
She said basically emotions sometimes comes with annoyance.
Right.
You see me? So if you're not like emotions, that means you're not like an emotional woman.
Right.
So I said so.
Okay.
So it wasn't a match today?
No.
Alright, walk with grace for me now. Alright, so first of all, I want to thank you for coming out.
You're welcome.
This season is different. It's find love or get rich. So if this was your match just now, we would have asked you if you're willing to risk it all and get rich, or you want second with love. Would you have second with love or pick the money?
Pick the money.
Pick the money. Alright then. But unfortunately, it wasn't a match.
Right.
So you left broke. Walk with grace.
Thank you.
Watching the people, don't forget, Trinidad, me a call you out, you see it? Guyana, I feel it too, You see me? Bahamas, any tropics, you don't know it's a Caribbean tour. And people, don't forget Ushpa over there, sponsored by Red Carpet, you see it? Any food, any dining, if you're hungry, Red Carpet at the spot, you see it? The man them, I don't know, St. Thomas. Me get some vibes now, don't sleep. Yeah, cause that Anna like you not sleep on Anna. You see it? Yeah. Bring in the next female for me now. Come to this side. Alright. Come to this side, right here, sir. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Javea.
Javea, okay. And what type of job you do, Javea?
I don't work.
You don't work? So
I'm in college.
Oh, you're in college. Okay. What's your type though?
Brown. Tattoos.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. And when it comes on to a guy bringing you on a first date, what's your ideal date though?
It doesn't matter, to be honest. It just has to be nice, you know?
Does it have to have a budget?
No,
Okay.
it doesn't matter.
Okay. All right then. All right then. No problem. All right. So we got some pops. So shout out their social.
Underscore that pretty demon.
All right. Follow our people. You're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Who you want to start with first?
Him already know. He's
Him?
not brown.
Okay. 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 Let's go. Come on. Oh.
Doesn't matter.
All right.
Yes.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
1J, but you see me? The reason why I'm pop the balloon, bro. Moms go off a image, dog.
Well, you don't,
Bro,
guys. You guys
tattoo.
you don't have to be necessarily brown. You have to be a dark skinned person that look good.
But you said brown.
You don't have to. I prefer brown.
So that mean me no look good.
I'm never get to you yet.
That you just say for true. You
You don't
just
have-
say.
you- I like.
you
I
love
prefer
brown.
brown.
You see me? So our mama prefer, you see me? Tattoo up, basically mama go for image, you see me? And boy, if me and him breadfruit or me then a dot, you have to love me said way, man. A image mama go for. Yeah, man. Real that, man.
All right then. All right. So based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
Not really my type, but you get a 6.
Sex?
6. Yeah.
What's that?
She give her sex.
Did I give me a 6?
A 6. 6.
Oh.
6.
6. Okay. All right. And why you give him a 6?
Not really my type. Not my type.
Okay. All right then. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Basically give mama a 9, you see me? The only reason why I'm not choose mama go off a image, you see me? But differently, mama nice to come out well active, you see me? No joke.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, man. Cool.
All right. Tongue to the side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Jevidon _1 on Instagram. But me never hear. You see me? But them me hear black. Black. Look for me. My black. No, tell me now. Are the wrong set of people me bring on this a competition for me? Because I know some type of people. But me I see how like black kind of kick me out still. Everything nice so far, but black.
Okay. What you have to say about that?
Okay.
Okay. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
His clothes look nice. His clothes look nice. I'll give him a 5.
5.
5. At least you know some clothes look nice.
All right. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
To be honest, so far she look neat. Look neat. The tattoo them look alright. Dressing look good, but when I like the little piercing right here. So, but so far now I can tell like female look nice. But she look good so far, isn't it?
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Come on to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Wrong somebody because she like guys with tattoo and me not have none, I have 0. So basically that I want turn off, yeah.
All right. True. What you say?
Yeah.
And based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
We could get a 4. Not so bad.
All right. So why you give him a 4?
He's not really my type.
Not your type. All right then. If him look you out a road like him walk up to you appearance wise, what you think about it?
I wouldn't talk to him.
Did I give him a responder?
No, I wouldn't even look back. But there's nothing wrong with him.
What you think about her based on her appearance?
She alright, man. She alright, man. Like her a 9 out of 10.
I know that thing. What you like about her?
Just her appearance and everything what she have on match. You know she a bling in her night. Half one day, half one day, she a bling, you know?
Big artist.
Yeah, man. She a bling, man.
Yeah. All right.
Like how she angry thing in her night, you know?
Angry thing.
Like how she angry.
All right, come down to the side. All right. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Say she want brown on the tattoo. I'm not put on a tattoo yet, you know?
Tattoo thing.
I'm not put on yet.
Okay.
But I see my dog and I line up with brown and have tattoo, so I say I can go on. I see dog a prayer, you know? So
So yeah, look out for your next man.
not necessarily said that, but I have a tattoo, man. I don't know if she da pop because I have it, so I say.
Alright, what do you think about him based on his appearance?
To be honest, he's nice. I would have never popped the balloon, but it's what it is.
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
He's a 9.
Alright, what do you think about fair appearance?
9.5, man.
0.5.
Yeah, she take the 0.5. Like her color, and the ear, and the face. Mr.
Alright, alright, can you have a chance? You know? Alright, let's go down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
She like man with tattoo. Me not have tattoo. I'm not that brown.
Oh, okay. The tattoo and you're dark brown. Alright, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Give her 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah, she look good.
What do you think about him?
To be honest, he was nice. I was looking at him, but he popped his balloon, so it's what it is.
Oh my God, my Shayla.
Alright.
Hi.
Next time in the future.
Yeah, alright. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
He's a 9. Can't go on.
What do you like about him?
It's not brown, but he looked nice. I was looking at him.
Believe. Have to believe in yourself, Muji.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, come down to this side. Alright, so the man them without a balloon, walk with grace for me now, please. Walk, father. Alright, you have a chance right now to ask him a question and we'll find out if it's a match or what, okay? So what's the question you want to ask each of them to get to know them?
Do you guys have kids?
No. No.
You?
No kids, no kids.
Any more question?
Who do you live with?
Who do you live with?
I live with my grandaunt.
Okay.
You?
Live by myself.
Age?
Age?
I'm 20.
24.
Alright. That's it? That's it for you? Alright, so pop one male based on probably appearance.
Pop it with.
I'm gonna give you something. Oh. Huh?
Salt, dog. My second one that pop balloon, bro. Salt, bro. Say Augustus.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
As I said, he's not. He looks nice, but he's not my type.
Why?
He have a baby face. Not really my type.
You're rather old face.
Yeah, not old, but like look at more.
Man,
you know?
look rough.
Yeah.
Oh, see it.
Rough? What do you mean rough?
I got a full beard, cause probably the little goat teach her off or something. I don't know. She said baby face.
Beard doesn't matter. Like you just look like you look young.
I understand.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
You can get a 5.
Why? Why you give him 5?
Cause you're not my type.
Huh?
Cause you're not my type.
Alright. Alright.
Alright. And if him approach her on the road though, would him get a number?
I'd probably give him a little conversation, but I don't know any more than that.
Now get a number?
No.
IG.
Walk with grace for me now, please. Alright, my G. You have an option right now for ask her a question and based on her answer, we're gonna see if it's a match or what. God in it like all the time. What's the question for her?
You live a foreign?
Yeah.
Which part?
Toronto.
Toronto? Canada. Born and grow? Oh, alright.
That's it? Any question for him?
Do you work?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Ear influencer.
What?
Ear influencer, man. Shipping company. And me have a registered close business.
Oh, okay.
Let me just remember.
You just remember that?
Yeah. Come here, see that. Come. Me just remember.
Yeah.
Me have that.
Yeah. What do you think about him?
It's alright.
Alright, so we're gonna find out. Is it a match for you? It's not a match?
No.
So you have a popping balloon.
It's hot, man. Ask her what make a no match.
Why is it not a match?
I did say I like brown with tattoos, but it's still not my type.
No, why?
Just, I don't know. I just don't like. I don't like him.
You just don't like him. Or you go after when you like you
I like.
have
I want it to be cute.
What's that?
Cute, dress nice. You don't have to be brown. I prefer brown. Okay.
or cute and just nice.
Yeah.
And tattoo.
Yeah.
And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
He's a 8.5.
No, 8.5.
Alright, what do you think about she based on her appearance?
She look nice, man. You guys have together and thing, man. She look nice. Come and see that tattoo there.
Which one?
Right there, sir. Oh, she look nice.
Yeah? Alright, so it's not a match today? Walk with grace from me now. Whoa. You never get a match. Everybody look like them. Love your arm, apparently. If you never see like brown man. Everybody would have eat out their
I should
palm.
have said preferred.
Yeah, preferred. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Alright, so in this season, you would have asked if it was a match, if you would rather to pick the money or find love. You think you would have found love today?
Maybe.
Maybe. But would you have choose the money over love?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, walk with grace. Watch out now. More and big up my editor, you see it, people. Want to see the big bad edit them. Editor, big up live boss for the visual, big up my team. You see it? Where they are St. Thomas, in the rain, in the sun. The girls them really not show up and show it because them shy. When them see the camera, them run up in a wall. You see it? I don't know, a St. Thomas thing. Them say, I saw them look and stay. You see me? Yeah, I wanna know. You see me? So big up on yourself. Make sure no, oh, I'm gonna give you no hug. Oh, wow, Mr. Party. Can I get a hug? Thank you. A long time I'm gonna see you. Yo, you get fat. Yeah, eat. Alright, then watch out. Send in the next female phone now. Wait until she reach out to us, please. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. My general St. Thomas with it. Them say the forgotten parish, you know. Put St. Thomas on the map for me now. Come on, we hear some roar. That is it, no man. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. You see it? People, remember, you know, Trinidad will come in, you know. Hey, boy, your mother. Hey, Trinidad, yeah. Send in the next female for me now. Go down, go on. Come to this side. Come to this side.
Frightening.
Hear your name? Introduce yourself.
I'm Odet.
Odet?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Odet, what type of job you do?
I'm a nail technician and makeup artist.
Oh, that's awesome. Alright. And what's your type?
Type.
What type of man you normally go for?
A very mature one.
Mature.
Responsible.
Yeah.
Loving.
Yeah.
Somebody respected.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And what's your pet peeve? Something that you hate when a man do? What you hate about a man like it?
Nagging.
Nagging. You know, like a nagging man.
Mm-mm.
And you're rather a man with things or a trying man?
Both. I feel like it really matter. Like
Both.
it's okay if you're trying. Eventually, you will get there.
Okay. Alright. That's not bad. That's awesome. Alright, so we just got one pup.
Mm-hmm.
That, huh? Him says a mistake. It's a mistake?
Yeah.
You sure?
Sure, 100%.
Alright, give him back a balloon. You get it? Yeah. Good? Alright, so nobody pop them balloon now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have the option right now to pick and choose who you want to go for, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you this, and you're gonna pop 3 male based on their appearance. Pop one more, just one more. Just one more. One more, just one more, just one more, one last one. Okay. Alright. We'll go to them and find out why you pop the balloon, okay? We'll start down there. Your name and what's your social?
Jamal Reed, I'm from White Horses.
What's your Instagram?
I'm TikTok, man. I'm TikTok.
What's your TikTok?
King J.
Alright, why you pop his balloon?
Ear kind of turned me off and the shirt.
I'm not here.
His hair kind of turned me off and the shirt.
Oh, this is just it's
No.
a label.
Tie and dye so.
Yes.
Oh, same ear. So I'm team ear.
You look raggy.
No, this style.
Oh, you look
Maybe my
rugged.
style, but to me it look ragged. Like yeah.
No.
Like nappy?
You know? Yeah.
That's why I have it like that.
Oh yeah, I go for the nappy look.
Yeah. So we
Look
give
like
the
black
brush.
pepper grain.
Huh?
You look you know, black pepper grain roll up.
Yeah, say that overall.
No disrespect, but you
Yeah, I
know,
know,
yeah.
I know.
Just
Alright.
say look to me.
Alright, so based on him appearance though, what do you think about it? How much should I rate him?
Probably 1 3.
3 out of 10?
Say why?
Huh?
Okay.
Why you give him a 3 though?
Because just looking at him, in just me just not find him attractive.
Okay.
Same to me.
Alright, so based on her appearance though, how much should I rate her?
Can't give over me still. Me I give twice.
Okay.
Oh, you either get a 2 out of 10?
Yeah. Rather.
That's fine.
Why 2 out of 10?
Good to see me. Yeah, say why, right? She's a nice lady and everything, but that good to me.
Oh, two good for you? What do you think about 2?
That's alright, that's fine.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, what's the social?
Michael, I'm not doing social from phone reach.
Alright. Why you pop Michael balloon?
Right, honestly, Michael nice, you know, but I just feel like there are other persons here who me like more than him. I still not really already, but I had no choice, like you say, pick. You understand?
No
He's
problem.
alright, yeah.
No
Okay,
problem.
so Michael, yeah, say Michael no fit. What you look for?
I'm not gonna say no fit to me, look it's alright, but with the others, I prefer them more. Yeah.
Alright, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give you 1 8.
8 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. What do you think about she based on her appearance?
She look nice. She look like my type.
I'm not hear volume.
Yeah, she look nice. She look like my type. I give her 1 9.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
Good? Alright, come down to this side. Alright. Your name? Social?
My name is Malik Stewart and I'm on Instagram as Rank Somebody 123. Yeah, and I do a chef for my occupation and thing, you know.
Why you pop his balloon?
The cigarette behind my ears, that's the first thing that throw me off. A respected person wouldn't do that. Even if you smoke, you're not gonna come out like this. And you understand? Yeah.
I don't really understand because everybody have to do what them have to do, you know, because your hobby what you like, you have to do what you like and me have to do what me like. So you can't have me half what me like. Because I'm not going to have you half what you like.
Alright, true. What you think about him appearance though? How much should I rate him?
0.
You sure?
About him, I'm like, not at all, literally.
I sent them a something, man. Yeah, man. I sent them a something, man.
Alright, so 0 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright. So what you think about fair appearance? What you think about her?
She like the cheap and clean them. That me see about her appearance, cheap and clean.
Okay. So how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, I give her 5 out of 10 still. 5 out of 10, but I give her.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? Good. Alright, come down to this side. Your name? What's the social?
Jevoni, social, Jevdon _1.
Alright, why you pop his balloon? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Why am I popping balloon?
Why you pop his balloon?
Alright, well, he's alright, but there's a cap on his head.
Second person said that.
No,
Take
no
it
wrong
off.
with the cap in it, just you want to fix better.
Wait, you
No,
want-
no
you
wrong with
want-
having
you want-
that
you want
cap,
fix
you
it.
know.
Yeah, catch it,
You
catch it.
want to fix better.
So you catch at the hat.
It crush up, it look crush up.
Jesus.
That, it look crush up.
Oh, it crush. Okay, okay.
Take it off or not take it off.
You're good. Oh, you want to comfortable. Want to comfortable. So, how much did I rate him?
Would I give you a 6?
6 out of 10.
Nobody know 7. Jesus.
Alright, so based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
Honestly, let's say yeah, recently me like the bigger lady, the bigger lady, them kinda nice and something, but like yeah, because like can you show say she like older now.
Oh, you're like a mature woman.
Recently.
Recently. Your name social?
Yeah, 1J badge, you know. Active. On the gram and on TikTok.
Alright, then why you pop J Bad balloon?
Can you just look like one little player?
You look like player? Man, I play. I love a boy, mum.
That's how you look.
I love a boy, but what you know, looks are deceiving.
I
Never
know,
hear that before.
I know.
I love a boy in real life. But nah, like, I rate her still, is it?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, mama, mama independent.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Grown and yeah, man. Mama nice, man. I talk about, man.
Alright, so how much did I rate him? I want to
give him
8 out of 10? And what do you think about fair appearance?
I give mama a 10, my friend. Mama independent, then I say, earn.
Like an independent woman.
What? Yeah, man.
I want a sugar mama.
What?
From me say independent, we know what I say.
Cool, man.
Alright, then come over to this side. Alright, so every man without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Alright. Alright, so down to 3. What more you do? We'll go around and ask each of them a question for find out if they're a good candidate for be a match, okay? Who you want to start with first? Him? Alright, let's go. Your name, social?
Chad. A14 Chad on TikTok, you know. Yeah.
Alright then. What's his question? Chad?
What's your aspire in life?
Aspire? Like what keep me going, right?
No, like what is it that you want? What's the thing that you want most in life?
What inspire?
More and most in my life. More and just see my family with their property, you know. Work and make sure everybody alright and can get what they want, do what they want, buy what they want, you know. Everybody comfortable.
How
Make
old
me
are
proud. 24 still, you know.
24?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it? Alright, come down to this side. Your name? And what's the social?
1 Shani Price. Number 1, Shani Price.
Alright. What's his question?
Alright, first off, how old are you?
24.
24? What is it that you do?
Whole heap of things. Influencer. Wig and something like too.
Wig influencer?
Yeah. We not say. TikTok
yes,
more
you can
time.
do it. Get somebody model it and him talk.
Yeah. Shipping company. Yeah.
Okay, and what is it that you're looking for?
A family.
A family?
That more start.
Have any babies?
If me have none?
If you get none?
No, nobody no give me none yet. I look one still.
Okay, okay.
I look baby.
Me have 4.
You have 4?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see what can go on.
Alright. Alright, we have to go find out why he pop the balloon. Why you pop your balloon?
4 pitney. No, brother. 4 pitney, brother. Me can't take care of so much. They're mad. One bad double.
One thing, pause.
Yeah.
My children's father, they have very respected roles in their life. Nobody when me talk to not have to worry about my pitney them, and I am there also.
You look like you take care of them.
So you not have to worry about my pitney. I mean, I expect a man to go and take
But
care of my
you
child.
know, really more than
So
one of them can get them first child.
that's okay, that's fine. I
But she look good
understand.
still. She look good. Man, I like.
Oh, so you know like 4 kids. The 4 kids them.
I don't mind. So you know, if a pop.
Oh, so you want if you know like jacket and the step thing.
No, sir. You mad? Time out, no brother.
Time hard?
I'm hot.
Oh, hot.
Jacket.
Okay.
Oh, she look good still. She look good still. She look good still.
Oh, she look alright. So, how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
How much?
I'm 30.
Yeah, 1 9, man. She look good for 30. Yeah, true. Yeah, 1 9.
Yeah. What do you think about him based on his appearance?
He look nice. Yeah.
And why didn't you pop your balloon?
Wait, where?
Why didn't you pop your balloon?
Cause she look good. Plus me hear she talk. She have a business, right? So she know Oakley's. I will leave Oakley's someone out there for that. Enough.
Yeah.
Enough.
No. Why you never pop his balloon?
You see, he look clean. He look nice. I
look
like
nice,
that.
Tina, but
You know?
Cause my fault
like
with
that.
them.
And if you care somebody, them can show my parents them I feel proud about, you know. You notice them, I try to keep myself. Kind of people will see me disbelieve say me have 4 kids.
Yeah, sure. She look good.
So-
She look good, but nah, like.
Alright then. Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace for me now. Alright, come down to this side. Alright, so basically, you're gonna ask him a question. What's the question for him? What's your name, by the way?
My actual name is Jason, but my Instagram handle is joro.capalat.
Joro?
Joro. Joro.
Oh, Joro. Okay.
African, mean come let's enjoy.
What's his question?
What is it that you do?
I'm a call center agent. I work at a call center.
Okay.
And I have my own business, not yet, fully developed, but it's getting there. And I also write music.
Okay. How old are you?
20.
20? And what is it that you're looking for? Like, what
Well,
exactly I want?
somebody who can motivate me, somebody be there behind my back, as me, help me. Because as I'm saying, I'm a musician, so enough time I go dead in the streets and shows after shows, party after party, I get tired. Somebody I can go home to, de-stress me and everything.
Alright. Alright, you get the answer? Alright then. So what I want to ask you right now, you're gonna pop 1 male balloon. Based on the answer, you know, feeling vibes, chemistry. Who is it gonna be? Huh? Who's it gonna be?
Me, I think.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
Alright.
I go pop female. You know why?
Why?
I'm gonna tell you why. Alright. I actually love the beauty world and everything in the beauty world. And with him saying that he might want big influence and stuff like that, I guess that we have a mutual connection in other world.
Chemistry.
Yeah, a chemistry, a connection. I love everything in the beauty world, literally. So, and he's older. Him seems more, what I say, more of a match to me than.
Okay. I understand.
Mhm.
Alright then. So it's not a match?
It's alright, but
You might for Orchid Grace then.
yeah.
So how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'm gonna give him 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, he's nice. Yeah.
Alright, what do you think about she?
She look nice. When you tell them my age, I'm frightened. Just all I come and say 30. I look good for 30, man. For real.
Alright then. Alright, Orchid Grace, my G. It wasn't that much today. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna ask her a question and we're gonna see if any question is supposed to be asked and the right answer, and then we'll find out this is a match, okay? What's the question for her?
You want me?
Yeah, you look nice. You actually favor my family, them, you know.
Family are Indian?
Yeah. My mom is Indian.
Let's see we have them. Alright.
Will you ask her?
If my
She want
family
me.
them are Indian.
If she want you.
Yeah, love what they have to find, man.
Alright. That's your question, that alone?
Yeah, you look good, man.
Alright. What's the question for him?
Is it a match? Would
A
you
match
say?
me, man.
Would you say I match you?
Yeah.
Why?
I like take care of it, you know.
You like the character?
Yes.
Okay.
And you do your own thing, you know. Push your influence, I think. You can start sitting together, man.
Yeah, I believe so too.
I believe
That
so.
sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright, so the chemistry there, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, so final question, right? Is this a match?
How much you mean?
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
Alright then. It's a match for you?
Yes.
It's a match for you?
Yes.
So we have a match?
Yeah.
So we have a match?
Yeah.
I want to ask you an important question. It's season 2 now. You say it's a match for you and you're willing to find love, but are you willing to risk it to get rich today and choose money over love?
Where me risk it?
Huh?
Where me risk it?
If she willing to choose money instead of finding love, what do you think?
How that work out?
If you're willing to choose money, you're not gonna match with him, and you get a chance to see if you can win up to 100,000.
Up to?
Up to 100,000.
So risk love or money?
Love or money. What you want to do?
Love yet, would have to try it to see if
Yeah, but you want to pursue it or you want to pursue to get rich.
You look like you're my friend club.
Me a fret man. I'm money I talk and know enough. Me a fret man.
What you want to
What do you think I best thing?
Me?
Yeah.
No mix me, please.
You can ask them, what do you think?
Oh, them?
Yeah.
What you think? What you want to do? Should she choose money or find love? Comment below, you see? What you want to do? You have the final answer right
How
now.
long me have to answer?
No, you have to tell me if you want to choose love or money.
So how me I gonna know how much money me I gonna get? If you choose money.
You gotta get the chance for win. Shalom.
Why?
Because you're the female.
What you say name? What your name?
Shani Price.
Shani Price.
One Shani Price.
Shani, you want to try?
If me want to try,
Or you want me to take the money? You want to try or you want me to take the money? Can money that do me well now, you know?
where I do the money?
Maybe we can take number backstage. And
No, you can't take no number backstage.
I'm joking.
You cannot take no number backstage.
I'm joking. I'm leaving after this.
how much
I'm leaving after this. How much money?
No, you
How much
have
money?
the chance right now. If you want to choose love or money, what you want to do?
May I take your money?
You gonna take the money?
Mhm.
So this is not a match, you know. This is not going to be a match. What you feel about that?
Maybe that do the same thing.
How much is going up to?
Up to 100,000.
I have 100,000 right now, so. Alive, really. Alive.
Alright, but you're gonna be here still. We're gonna have 3 options. We're gonna see if you're gonna choose the one with the money. Alright? Alright, bring them in. So
May I go pop it?
we have 3 different balloons right now. One of them having the 100,000. Okay? So I don't know which one you're willing to choose, but you have the chance right now. People, mama know. What know what I choose?
So may I
Love
go
or
bust the
money?
three of them? So may I go bust the three of them or just
No, just one. You only have to choose one.
So one alone have in 100,000?
One alone.
So the rest of them have in?
0. More.
So I'm not see what in there.
Did you choose it?
Yeah.
Okay, no. Oh. $0. This have $0. What you feel about that?
That's alright.
No, turn to the camera.
That's alright.
So $0 you choose. So she never find love today and she never get no money. What you have to do? You have to walk with grace, okay?
Alright, yeah.
Go on.
If you give back.
Come on. My G, how you feel? She choose the money over here.
Feel bad, you know, man, rolling. Feel bad, man. I don't feel like my head that start happening.
Your head hurt you?
Yeah. I don't pan at all.
No Panadol, my G. Just walk with grace, yeah? We'll see in a season 2 if them willing to choose money or love, okay? You don't know. Banana chip! Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Come right here, sir. Hi, good night.
Hi, good night.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Shakira McNeil, aka Kira Twisted.
What's your social?
Kira_Twisted.
Alright then.
And the
And
Twisted spelled TWYSTID.
awesome. What type of job do you do?
I'm a chef and also an entrepreneur.
Cook and them thing there. Alright. And what's the type of meals you normally go for? What's your type?
Well, I don't go based off appearance. I go
Alright.
based off personality.
Okay. Alright, that not bad. That not bad. Alright, so when it comes on to first date though, what do you want out of a date?
What do you mean?
Like when at the end of the date, like what are you willing to achieve?
Well, I'm dating to marry.
Okay, so you want to get married.
Yes.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And what's like the pet peeve? What's one thing you don't like when it comes down to a male?
Smoking. I don't like a guy that smokes.
Hang up now. Okay, alright. So we got some pops. So we can find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Okay.
Alright, who you want to start with first? Here?
Yes.
Here? Alright. Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name Joe. The reason I'm pop balloon is because I don't smoke all the time, but I'm an occasional smoker. You see me? Smoke when I go parties or if I'm under the vibes when I'm out and bridging them, bun on split. You understand? Or, you know, just for the energy. You see me? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. Alright, based on him appearance though, how much you rate him?
9 out of 10.
Thanks. Like, yeah, I think still. It look nice.
Give a 10.
Yeah, man, it look nice.
Uh,
Over something.
Thanks. Thank you.
So one thing like once you find out a man smoke, you done with it?
Yes, I really and truly don't like smoking.
Alright.
Why?
It's just the smell. I don't like the smell of weed. I don't like the smell of cigarettes. But if you drink, that's fine because I drink occasionally.
Oh, I understand.
Alright then. It wasn't a match. We'll go down the side. Alright, still right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One Shani Price. So she'll date for married. And she look nice and decent now, but I like freaky girl. She don't look freaky, she look too decent.
So you don't want to marry?
Not yet. Me young, you know, man.
How old are you?
24. And 20 years in a relationship, then we think about that, you know? A freaky? I freaky, you know. Down there, deep throat, goggle bars, everything.
No.
Alright. And that's why I'm a papa balloon.
Oh, so you can tell from our appearance?
Yeah, I can tell who freaky and who is not. So I like him freaky.
You have a radar like you.
Buzzer. Just beep off.
I'm only gonna be freaky with my husband.
Oh, your sister should not start yet. I'm not willing to try. Because more she freaky when me get her.
Okay, so you're not.
Like on the first date?
All if I that too. Like him freaky, man.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
And 10, man. She. Decent, man.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
What do you think about film appearance?
9 out of 10.
Me take that, man.
Alright, go down the line. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Pop the balloon because she said she don't like a person that smoke.
I'm not here.
She said she don't like a person that smoke. Yeah, that's why.
So smoking thing.
Yeah.
Smoke hard.
No, not really. No one day.
Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm not give her 8 though.
Did I get an 8?
Yeah.
Yeah. Quit smoking fair though?
Yeah.
Give back him balloon then.
In pop it already, right? Huh?
Yeah, man.
Alright, come down to the side. Alright then, the man name without a balloon, walk with grace from now. Alright, give him another pick. Alright, you're gonna have a choice right now to pop 2 male balloon based on appearance or they're not your type. Who's gonna be?
Based on appearance?
Or they're just not your type.
Remember I tell you I don't go off of
Appearance. Okay, so we have to get to know them then. So we're gonna make you ask them a question and we're gonna see if you like them based on personality, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, so who it's gonna be? Him? Alright. Your name?
A14 child on the TikTok, you know.
Okay, what is your age?
I'm 24.
24, okay. What's your profession? What's your profession?
Electrician, yeah.
Electrician? Okay, nice.
Fix
And
light
what do you like
anything.
to do for fun?
Stream and them thing there, you know.
Stream only?
No, like go to sometime the river, I love the river, love the beach, love walk, so. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I do my thinking. Every time I think about something, I just walk by the road, you know.
Are you dating to marry or dating for fun?
Well, I date for marriage still, but you have to go get back to your father part. I tell you, God truth.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
None yet.
Okay.
Come on, kids.
Okay. Alright, we'll come back.
Alright, just use the mic
Alright.
here. Put
Yeah.
your name.
Wrong somebody, 1, 2, 3, 5.
What's his question?
Okay, what's your age?
29.
What do you do for fun?
I cook for fun.
Okay, you're a chef.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. How much kids do you have?
1.
Okay, how old is she?
No, it's a boy.
How old is he?
7.
Okay, are you still with your baby mother?
No. Single and ready for mingle.
So you live alone?
Yeah, I live alone.
Okay. Um, what do you like to do for fun besides cooking?
What I like to do otherwise for fun, play some football, play some soccer. The when I cook, I play some football. Or
Okay.
I chill with my friend them and thing.
Okay, are you dating to marry? Are you dating for fun?
Well, I'm dating for what beneficial, you know. So if marriage beneficial, I'm dating for marriage.
Okay, so you're dating because you want to
Yeah, fine.
benefit
When
from
I
the
look for, I
person.
want to find my soulmate. So anything when my soulmate I go with, it may I go with too.
Okay, so what do you look for in a woman?
Everything when I want and more.
Like?
Like loving, caring, cause caring is sharing, and everything else will come after.
Okay, are you a Christian?
Not really, but I believe in a Christianity though.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. Good. Come next. Remember, we have more people. Yeah. Alright. Your name?
Jevidan _1 on Instagram.
What's his
Okay,
question?
Javon, what's your age?
Age 18.
Too young, sorry.
How much you that rate him based on him appearance? Based on him
7 out
fit.
of 10.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about your appearance?
Appearance. I see. She look good early. Man, I tell you something like the bigger lady there. She look good. Come in and I was like, she look good for real. Well put together. Like she actually goes for meet somebody. Yeah, look good honestly.
Alright. Alright, so it wasn't a match today. Walk with grace. Alright. Your name?
Hope first if you say the voice, I don't know say 1G, but you see me, Instagram and TikTok active.
What's his question?
What's your age?
Well, I know before you ask me that question. I can't wait until I grow.
Alright.
Me-
I gotta ask you a different question then.
Uh,
What's your profession?
what do you mean by that one? I don't know that one I mean.
Alright, what do you do? What type of work you do?
Oh, I'm a social media influencer, you see me? I study. Yeah,
Oh, you go to UE or UTech?
No, like I study overall. I don't really know what I want to become, but I know say it dead, but I study and things, you see me? But I most focus on a social media entertainer, you see me? Yeah, I do them thing there.
When you say you study, you just study a yard.
No man, I study at school like class and everything there, you see?
Oh, you go like evening class?
Yeah man.
Okay.
I'm a bright youth, you know, yeah.
Okay.
But man, boy,
So how much subjects you have?
I have 4 so far. I have 3 now. You see
Okay,
me?
that's
Class,
nice.
not school, no class.
Okay, so you like older women?
Of course. Young girl, them, you know what them do. They want money, they know what them do. I'm like, oh, differently, a true thing.
Alright, so yeah, you move the balloon from right to why?
Because I wait until me grow up. You see me, bro?
Okay. Alright, can get back down to you.
Alright, come down to the side. Alright, so what I'm gonna ask you now, you're gonna have to pop 2 balloon.
2?
2 balloon. Who it's gonna be?
This is a sticky one.
Why?
Because I actually like them all.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright, but you have to just pop 2 balloon. Which gonna be? Go ahead. Whoa, I'm gonna come down to the side. Come down to hold on. No. Come down to the side. Why you pop that balloon and she never pop it?
I tell you why I'm popping balloon. She said she like them all. If I miss it, she say like brother, I miss you for come too. She don't fly them man. The balloon she pop instant. You know? I compete with them man.
Actually, did I go pick you? I pop it.
Go fast, man. You say like all of them. No man, I have to make me special, man. I say about me, you know? But she look good. Nah.
Okay, so basically I say you want she prioritize you.
Yeah.
And make you feel like a the king.
I say like them
But
too,
actually,
just
did I
as
go
me.
pick you?
Really now, tell you balloon.
Yo, alright, so based on him appearance though, how much should I rate him?
9 out of 10.
Him just want to feel special, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, you know. Well, what you think about fair appearance?
No, she look good, bro. 9.5, you know.
9.5. Channel.
Just because she compare me with the dog, you know. And me and Mona League, you know.
If you're not there, she can love everybody.
Yeah. But if it meant to be still, you know. You know.
Walk with grace from G. Why you pop his balloon?
I popped his balloon because I don't think we're match. In terms of, I asked him what did he do for fun, and he said just cooking and play football. I was looking for more.
Okay, so based on him hobbies.
Yes, based on his hobbies and also his appearance.
Alright, so how much you rate it from 1 to 10?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10?
Yeah. Because his hair is, I mean, him could have fixed up him hair a little bit better. You know, from a see the ear, I get turned off by the ear.
But I'm natural here, this a false here, yeah, we're not full here.
Yeah, but I'm saying you could have make somebody twist it neater. I mean,
no,
I don't
no,
like
have a twist neater, a time and place everything.
Yeah, but the ear just
inside.
The ear just throw me off, to be honest.
Well, I don't have a problem with you feel like.
No, what you have on alright,
your choice.
No, what you have on alright, but your ear just throw me off.
No, but you are second for less of that you do.
No,
if you
I'm
cook
not.
and me cook and you don't want a chef to help you balance out the thing, you don't want nothing.
No, the appearance, I mean the
appearance looks are deceiving. You just you know go for appearance. So we are trying to say. You know say nothing. You have to get somebody who are compatible with you for do what you are do. 4 and better and 2, though. So you know look for nothing to make you better.
Yeah, but you know my grandmother always tell me, say first impression count. So you have to dress your best.
No, sir.
You can't come and look shabby. You look for love, you can't come here and look shabby.
No, sir, you have to love me as I am. The Bible say come as I am.
Most of the man them come here, them look good enough. Most of them.
No, but looks are deceiving. The Bible say come as I am.
Sure, alright, I understand. Cool it down. Alright, so basically.
I really argue with her. She make her point and me make my point.
Alright, so basically, how much should I rate him?
3 out of 10. Alright, 5. I give him a 5. Me give him a 5. Me give him a 5.
You can't sponsor badness,
Me
you know.
give him
Say
a
any
5.
rating or money me take, you know, me not take
The
ratings,
ear
you
just
know.
throw me off
Ratings can't put
completely.
money
And
in my pocket
the
to the killer. So any of them want to rate me, I go with it. I go with any of them want to rate.
Alright then, based on fair appearance though, what do you think about her? You approach her up on the road?
I'm not gonna tell you the truth no, because we disagree on stuff.
If I give her a 5 out of 10, if I get for no harm, I give her more. 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10 based on her appearance?
Yeah, 5 out of 10.
Why 5 out of 10?
Because it look like
just because we
no,
disagree.
because it look like a Sheen a shop more for car. That I run.
No, I'm not shop from Sheen, darling. There.
No, I tell you more.
I don't
9
shop
out of
from
10
Sheen.
girl I do that.
This outfit is definitely not from Sheen.
Which
You don't
brand?
know
Which
quality.
brand?
A Clark slippers. This man.
No, I say which brand outfit that you have on? Which brand outfit?
This is a Clark slippers.
Which brand outfit?
Excuse me?
Which brand outfit you have on?
Fashion Nova. I don't shop from Sheen. It's either Fashion Nova,
I
Amazon.
like you still all go on, but I feel say me against you, say. I still like you, but you are talk where you are say and me talk where me are say.
First impression counts.
Alright, man.
My grandmother always tell me that.
Alright, so it
So you
wasn't.
have to dress your best.
It wasn't.
I have to dress my breast and myself alone me impressed when I come for road. Me not impressed nobody.
Alright, so it wasn't. It wasn't. It wasn't that
First
much.
impression counts.
It wasn't that much today. Walk with grace, my G.
First impression count for me still.
Remember you saying I go for
Yeah,
appearance.
but I'm a grandmother. I'm grow with her. My grandmother always say, dress
That
your
I-
best. If you go look, if, you don't know if you might meet your husband or your wife on the road, always dress your best. My grandmother always tell me that.
Alright.
I agree with that, dog. Yes, I know.
Alright. Is there a question you want to ask her?
Yeah. How old you be?
I'm 25.
Yeah. What's your hobby?
Well, I love to dance. I like to cook. I like to sing karaoke. I love to travel, and I love to go out to different restaurants and try new food.
So like where you see yourself like 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself. I want a son, and I also want to get married, and basically, have my own home and have my own farm.
That's good. That sounds good.
So basically, as far as me, I say, mama is an independent woman, different education.
Alright. So that's a question for her.
Yeah, from me.
Any more question for him?
What do you like to do for fun?
Trust me. Social, like, invest myself in a social media. Any spare time I get, me just put that in a social media. Any funds, put it in a social media. Because you have to invest for you want done. So I just invest in my social media thing differently.
So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
To be honest, I feel like the next 5 years, I not gonna say I'm a celebrity, but I know I'm very known. I know I go alright in a life, I not go perfect, but I know I go to somewhere where I go and people actually know me.
Okay.
Because it started already,
Okay.
Just a small process of progress.
Okay.
Alright. So make I ask a final question now. Come over close. Come over here. Alright, make I ask a final question, right? Is this a match for you?
You're still in school, you say?
How do you say? I don't know if I call it school class. I'm not doing a school. I do
Also,
class.
are you working now, currently?
Yeah, well, social media are one, but I would like work differently, like
So you
trade
live
work
by
and
yourself
thing.
or you live with family?
I live with family, but one section differently. They call it a big yard. Yes, man.
Okay. How old are you again, you say?
Alright, 19, January 29.
January the 29th. Oh, that's the next week.
Yeah, next 4 days from now.
Okay.
So you never answer my question. Is it a match for you? What? It's a match for you?
No. No. No.
That's why I always ask it 2 times, you know.
No, sorry.
Why you change your mind?
Yo, bro. No, really, understanding thing, dog. You rate my man in real life, dog. I'm sweet. Yo. Nah, my man never there, I'm a female broke already, dog. Just... Yeah, no, bro. I saw you go still. I rate my man differently, said, you see me?
See, that hurt you?
You hurt me, bro. But me not blame mom, I understand. I call me young. Differently, mama would have picked me. I call me young, though. I don't tell them, mama, say, wait till me get bigger.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10? What all of that for?
It hurt me, bro.
And I say express yourself.
Bro, you know man pain, dog. Just cool and roll it. Yeah.
Alright then, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Why I give mama 10, dog. 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You know,
You feel away, so now, yes.
Yeah, but I now cut it. 10.
I know, because your vibes just, you see?
Just cool and that.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'd give him a 9 out of 10.
Mama rate me too, because I'm young. Alright.
Alright, so it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace, my G. Alright, so you never have a match today. And you make somebody drop down based on your rejection. What you have to say about that though?
I actually feel bad,
Yeah.
you know, but it's just the age. She's too young for me. You know, I'm 25. I'm looking for somebody 25 and older.
And can married soon.
Right.
Yeah, I understand. Alright, so in this episode, this season, you have a choice when you find your love or match. Who would I ask you like, would you choose love or money?
If I found my match, I would choose my match.
Your match?
Yeah.
Alright then. Walk with grace. Alright, so people, at the end of the video, I'm a lover now. Like always, and God in it. You see it? But just want to take the time out to tell you that I appreciate you. On always like, comment, and subscribe. And the comments them, I read them. Like sometime, I don't know, I don't want to sleep. I just read the comments. You see it? And I want to say, I want a next hug. Can I get a next hug? My huggy. I feel away. St. Thomas, like I expect the female them and thing, but them shy. Like one girl, she forward and she buck her toe. And the camera never on, cause she shy. You see it? I don't know. St. Thomas, I don't want to put you up on the map, but I not come back over here, so. Me used to live over here now. You never know. Alright, I get out. Love you, man. You see it? Big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up the editor. Big up Motor Source. You see it? Yeah, for the best car deals and thing. If you want to buy a car, vroom, drive it out. And red carpet for the sponsor. You see it? Don't forget. If you want to bring a girl somewhere secret and private and the food is awesome. Right now, I'm hungry and I'm a sponsor, I think so. Order something now. It's on me. Okay? Got the night like all the time. Chips.
Got this banana chips for you. No, for you. This banana chips for you. Say, I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever and ever. We say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Road to 200k. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.